Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's YogShaala. Chakki Chalan and Nauka Chalan. So let's start with the Nauka Chalan first. Legs straight, fist close to your shoulders. अच्छे से stretch it up, look up. Exhale forward, legs are straight. Inhale, you go back and go. 2, 3, legs are absolutely straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Reverse. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and come back. Hold your toes. If you are not able to touch your toes, you can use the belt. Keep going forward. Stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and come back. Open your legs. We shall repeat the cycles. Open your legs, lock your fingers. Now, we will not do this, only moving the arms and bending the elbows. The elbows will not bend. You go back and front. Arms are going to be straight. ठीक है? चलो. Spine upright, legs apart. Go forward and start from the right. 1. Give your best. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you are having very tight hamstrings in the back, do it in Sukhasana, but do not stop with the movement. Come on, let's get ready. Reverse. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and come back. Hold your right big toe. Again, if you want, increase the distance between the legs and we start pulsing to the right side. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2 and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and back. Change. Hold your left big toe, left hand and the right hand goes to the side. Inhale, exhale, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay there. Breathe. And come back. Let us pulse forward in the same position. Keep the legs apart and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पेट को अंदर खींचो. 7, 8, 9, and hold your big toe. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And come back. Sukhasana. Forward bend. Breathe nicely.